kind of grungy in here. This is the noise my shower head makes when I engage the shower with this Delta spigot. You hear that? So I got this new one. Probably seen a big thumbprint there on the screen. I'll edit that out. Of course, this thing's packaged like a Fort Knox, so bear with me as I try to open this thing. Cut right here. I was trying to avoid doing any plumbing. I cleaned the old one out. Whoa, another part there. I don't need that. I just need this part. Old one just twists off. They both say Masco on the bottom. Again, I cleaned this one out. This is supposed to go right back on. Hold your breath. Well, there's something different. The inside of this is white. The inside of this one's red. Let's see if it works and stops that noise. A little tight there. At the end. What's up? Let's go. All right, no whining. No more whining. Got a better flow coming out too. This one leaked a lot right here when you turn the shower on, so I think it just needed replaced. Probably about 5-6 years old. That's a win. That is a win. Trust me, I need some wins. How do you turn this off? There we go. This isn't my shower, it's my daughter's shower. So Delta replacement faucet, I'll put the link in the description. The old one on the bottom says Masco 32192. And when I read the Amazon reviews, I don't know if that's coming in, it said that this replacement one was the same for this part because I didn't want to do any more plumbing. So I didn't have to put this back on. I just screwed the old one off, put the new one on. I think this was like 25-30 bucks too. Yuck, big hair there. So hopefully this helps somebody. Hopefully my new camera works too.